to another video of Daily LeetCode Challenge Streak series, and in today's video we have a new question: group anagrams. Now let's read the question. Given an array of strings strs, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. You'll be given words and you're supposed to categorize the words accordingly, such that the words which can be rearranged into one particular word. Okay, what is an anagram? Anagram is something that can be formed by rearranging the letters. Okay, for example, if I have EAT, by rearranging this I will get ATE. Okay, so what you will do now from the array, since EAT and AT are anagrams, you will put them in one list. So if you can carefully observe the example here, EAT, TEA, ATE are anagrams, so they are in one list, and so on and so forth. If the string is empty, you are supposed to return empty. Okay, if there's only one input, you will be returning that input. Now, how do you solve this problem? What is an anagram? It is nothing but one word where the letters are rearranged. Correct? For that, for every particular word, if you sort the word in alphabetical order, what will happen if you take eat and if you arrange it alphabetically? So what will happen? You'll get A, E and T. Okay, you will get the word AET. Now what you will do is that you will create a dictionary, okay, or a hash map. You will create a dictionary, and what you will do for this particular AET, okay, you will take this as your main signature word. Okay, since the sorting order of this particular word is AET, you will take this as your signature index. Okay, so AET, and what will you do at this particular index? Okay, at this particular index you will store all the words that have these letters. Okay, you will store all the words that will form AET when you sort them. Okay, if you take eat, and then when you take ate, and when you take tea, if you sort all these words one by one alphabetically, you'll be getting AET. So what you'll do, when you get the word AET in hash map, in this particular AET value, you will append back the particular word that you sorted. Okay, instead of appending the sorted word, you will append EAT. So in the place of AET, you'll be storing, okay, you will be storing EAT, ATE and TEA. Now why are you doing this? You are doing this because when you sort all these letters alphabetically, you will be getting AET as the signature word. Okay, in the sorted order you will have AET. For you to get this in a sorted way, you are sorting all the letters. Now you will keep doing this. Okay, now what is the next word that we can have? A and T. Okay, now we have NAT. Okay, you have NAT and TAN. Now when you alphabetically sort this, what will the value be? It will be nothing but A, N and T. So for this A and T word, what words will you have in the list? What all words we have? So by sorting NAT, we got A and T, so you will append it here. Okay, and again after sorting which word, you got A and T. After sorting tan, you got A and T, so tan. Okay, like that you will sort all these values and return the values of this particular hash map. Okay, instead of returning AET and ANT, you will just return these lists in this form. Okay, now let's code this up. Okay, we shall first import from collections import default dict. Now what's this? With the help of this thing, we'll be able to initialize an empty dictionary in which we'll be appending the values. If there is not any value in the hash map or the dictionary yet, it will create one value and then create that particular list for each of those. Now what are we doing? Now let's name our dictionary to something. Let it be anagram. Okay, let's name it as anagram is equals to default dict of list. Now because we want to create a dictionary with each value having one list each, so which is why I'm creating a list type of hash map or a dictionary. Now what I'll be doing, for word in strs. Okay, for every word that I come across in this input, as in first I'll come across eat, then tea, then tan. Then what am I doing? I am sorting this word EAT, correct? After sorting this word, I am adding it back to the anagram. Now for me to know what is the signature word, I need to know the signature word of this particular thing, no? Because for all the words there will only be one signature word. So what I'll do, signature is equals to dot join the sorted of this particular word for me to get this. For example, if I have NAT, what I'm going to do, I have to get the sorted word of this, right, which will nothing be ANT, ant. So the signature word here will store the sorted of this particular NAT, which is the word. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to in anagram, okay, in anagram of signature, I am going to append this word. So what am I doing here? Earlier when ant was there in my dictionary, what am I doing with all the words like this? If it's ant here, then I'll be storing nat and tan here. So for this particular signature here, I am appending this word, okay, I'm appending these words here, okay. Now then what I'm doing, I'm returning a list of these values, okay. So I'll be returning list of anagram dot values, okay. Whatever lists were inside this dictionary, I'll be returning them in the form of a list. So let's quickly run the code. And let's just submit it. Okay, it's accepted. Talking about the time complexity, now we are sorting each and every word here, okay. To sort one word, the time complexity would be log of n. But here we are sorting n words, okay. If there are n words in this given STRS, then we'll be sorting n words, okay, n into this, and in the end we are again sorting all the values, okay, all the values in the anagram. If there are m values in this particular anagram, we are again sorting this whole thing, which is m. So the overall time complexity would be m into n into log, to store the list in which we'll have all the n elements, okay. We'll have all the n elements if you see it here. So this list that we are returning will have everything that the input will have. So which is why it will be O of n, okay. Thank you guys.